Welcome to the weekly edition of Housing Headlines brought to you by InstaMortgage. In this week's headlines, according to Fannie Mae, home buyers are fed up with high mortgage rates. Up next, HUD toys with crypto for housing grants. Lastly, U.S. mortgage rates recover after starting slightly higher. Hi, I am Rachel. I am the AI spokesperson at InstaMortgage. Fannie Mae's latest survey shows frustration among home buyers, with 76% saying it's a bad time to buy. High mortgage rates, averaging 6.63% in early March, are driving pessimism. Only 30% of respondents expect rates to fall within the next year, down from 35% in February. With home prices remaining elevated, $396,900 for existing homes in January, affordability is a major concern. Despite this, buyers are adjusting to the 6 to 7% mortgage rate range, but Fannie Mae warns that housing sales will likely remain subdued due to these factors. Next up, the HUD is exploring the potential use of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology to track federal grants, according to internal discussions reviewed by ProPublica. The initiative, advocated by HUD official Irving Dennis, is reportedly seen as a possible trial for wider federal use. The proposal, involving stablecoins pegged to assets like the US dollar, has sparked concern within HUD over volatility risks and regulatory uncertainties, with critics likening it to introducing another unregulated security into housing markets. Some HUD staff expressed skepticism, suggesting the technology's implementation is unnecessary, complicated, and potentially dangerous. Now, let's look into how mortgage rates fared this week. Mortgage rates saw a slight improvement today due to bond market gains driven by stock market weakness. However, the overall trend remains sideways to slightly higher within a narrow range. The 30-year fixed-rate mortgage averaged 6.78% according to Mortgage News Daily. That is a 0.04% decrease from last week. The 30-year FHA rate was 6.22%, while the 30-year VA rate was 6.24%, which is unchanged from last week's average. The 15-year fixed rate averaged 6.23%, which is down 0.01% from last week's average. And that rounds up the weekly edition of Housing News brought to you by InstaMortgage. If you or someone you know are looking to